Hi friends, it's Dawn Twinter here. I just wanted to update the staff favorites page, and if you're receiving this, that's because you don't have a staff favorites page linked. So attached in the email, you'll find this page. If you would take some time and do File, Make a Copy, and when you make a copy, would you call it your last name and favorites? So take off the copy of part. For example, I would put Twinter's CCE staff favorites and hit OK when you're done. That would be great. It'll make your own copy and you can fill this sheet out like this. And when you're done, if you could share it back with me, that would be great. When you click on the share, you'll see that it says anyone with the link. Make sure that it just says can view. Anyone with the link can view. Make sure that right here that says that. So you're going to send me that link so then I can add it to the staff favorites page. You'll see anyone with purple is highlighted, and that means they have a link. So if your name is not highlighted, that just means we don't have your paper linked yet. So if you wouldn't mind to take time to do that, that would be great. And if you have any questions, please just let me know. Thanks so much.